It's 8:49 right now. Let's see how this one goes. Yeah, keys are in there. Is silver 2013 Nissan Versa. Perfect spot too. At a gas station. Crazy. These things are clutch, bro. These wedges from Rhino, these things are clutch. There you go. Nice and easy. Customer said, cut the car off, hold the key. So, that's what we doing. Bing, bada bing, bada boom. Unlock the car. Now we wait for the customer to get here. Yo, thank you, Babu.
I appreciate it.
Hey, yo, appreciate that, bro.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, my man.
Be safe.
Yo, be safe out here, alright, you heard? Have a good night.